When it comes to marketing and advertising, I hear a whole bunch of flooring business owners, flooring companies, flooring specialists just talking about starting marketing or talking about trying marketing soon enough. But when it comes down to it, it's really day one or one day, right? You can keep talking about, I'm gonna start one day, I'm gonna try it one day, or you genuinely start, dive into it, figure it out. And that day when you say you are going to do it is the day that your results start coming in, if you start now. I hear a bunch of companies, flooring contractors, talking to me about ads, seeing if ads work, saying ads don't work, and they've tried it but they don't work, they don't see any results. This is because you've tried an ad, right? You dumped money into an image, which is technically an ad, I guess, and you don't see results, obviously, right? So you don't see results, you've tried an ad, you've tried other advertising sites, right? Let's say Yelp or Google, and they just don't yield the results that you're looking for, right? This isn't a valid reason for you to completely throw advertising down the drain, because marketing, as you guys already know, is the biggest and baddest and strongest tool for you to actually provenly bring traffic into your business. You're paying for eyeballs to come into your business, and this doesn't have to cost a lot. This doesn't cost too much. You can start with as little as $1 a day, $5 a day, and go up to past $100 a day, right? I would say if you have $10 to $15 a day to spend on advertising in a marketing budget, you'll be set. You'll be all right. And then from there, you'll begin to see some sort of traction, and then you start scaling up and really comparing what you're spending to your profit margins and expanding what you're spending on your marketing adverts. I also hear a bunch of flooring companies talking about not having time to film content. In reality, when you're filming content or building this online presence, if you have the time to pull out your phone and text your wife or text your kids, you have the time to record or take a picture of what it is that you're doing. People just want to see the process of what your end result is. Okay, so if I was a prospect and I came across your page, I'd want to see what you do in the process before you get to the end page, or I'd just like to see who you are as a person. Or you could literally pull out your phone, film your team bringing in the lumber, and make a quick edit out of that. Take a picture of the before, the process, and the after. Set up your phone for a time lapse, right? You don't not have enough time. All right, that's just a limiting belief. And on the topic of online presence and social media, I hear a whole lot of flooring companies and contractors also saying, I'm too old for this, or social media is for kids and millennials, right? The truth is, it is, okay? But you have to understand and be open-minded to the fact that these millennials and these kids are killing it and figured out a new way to actually bring in leads inbound privately to you, okay? You don't have to continue using Thumbtack and all these outdated methods just because everyone else is doing it. If everybody else is doing it, you're gonna get the same results as everybody else. You have to do something different to get different results. Understand in yourself that you have to make a change to get out of the position that you are now. If you're in a rut, maybe doing 3 or 4 jobs a month inconsistently, realize that you have to make a change. Begin understanding the way in this day and age of how you can actually bring in leads privately and provenly. Back on the topic of ads, when you've tried it once or twice and they don't work, or maybe you've had an agency try it for you and they got shitty results, you can't call it a scam if it's completely proven. Right? It's not even in the question. I don't even like bringing it up because I do hear a lot of people wondering if it is a scam, right? I would say for you people who genuinely think it's a scam, do a little bit of research around the topic. Find actual proven strategies or actual results. You can even DM me. DM me on Instagram right now at noah.o.arnold, and I will send you a list of results I've got from my clients. Okay, so that is just for people who have a limiting belief thinking that marketing is a scam, whatever. I just want to ingrain the fact into your head that marketing and advertising and building this online presence to then market and advertise with job generation, right? To then become the go-to in your area with paid eyeballs and add in a scaling factor with in-house qualification processes can actually help your business and actually help your business grow, and may be the only way for your business to grow at the moment, because everyone else is doing their own thing. Thumbtack, Angie, Home Advisor, waiting for shared leads, waiting for their GCs to give them jobs, asking realtors for jobs. Stop being a subcontractor for these GCs, these realtors, and become the company who brings in their own private leads with an inbound stream, okay, consistently. All right, this is a super short video. I hope you guys got some value from this. Click the link below. I'll leave a one-on-one link where you can sit down and have a chat with me. And also, like I said, check out my Instagram page at noah.o.arnold. There's a whole bunch of value I have posted on my Instagram, let alone consistently posting value-packed videos on YouTube as well. So check these out. Stay tuned for these. That concludes this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.